Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to show you how can you easily manage your headphone accommodations option. At first we have to click on our settings icon. Now we have to go into Bluetooth. Now we have to click on this info button over there. Now we have to scroll all the way down to accessibility. Now we have to click on iPhone audio and visual settings. Now as you can see, our headphone accommodations are on. We have to click on it and now we can choose Tune Audio for balance tone, vocal range or brightness. Optimizing for balance tone will provide a boost over a range of frequencies. Vocal range optimizing for low vocal range will boost middle frequencies and brightness will boost high frequencies. Here we can choose between strongness, slight, moderate and strong. Soft sounds will be boosted slightly, moderately or strongly. We can choose to apply with phone and media with this switch over there. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.